Good day mga solution finders! I am Hani. If you're looking for a solution para sa inyong small office or satellite branches para sa timekeeping, highly recommended namin ang Prism PR1800. Simple lang i-set up and very easy to have output para sa inyong mga attendants. All you need is a USB and PC na may Excel application, no additional softwares para sa inyong mga devices, enroll, users, and set time shifting. Ganun lang kadali mga ka-solution finders. Ito ay may capacity for 1,000 fingerprints,
Press again.
1,000 cards, and 1,000 pins. At mayroon din itong 100,000 lugs capacity after ng enrollment and initial setup. Very easy to download your attendance ng mga employees at murang solusyon from Prism para sa ating mga ka-solution finders.